I have a rule that if this left turn is backed up more than 5 cars, I go right. And I'm always happy because even though it adds about 10 minutes to my ride to work, I don't really have a schedule anyway. I make my own time, so adds 10 minutes. I wasn't going to stop there, but there was a cop. It does mean that I get to take the back roads to work, which means hopping on dirt. So you're going to be seeing this video hopefully at the end of a series of videos where I've basically been publishing new clips for you all every single day for the last 3.5 weeks. Thank you so much for putting up with these. I know there's one person that has downvoted or disliked every single video I've posted the last 3 weeks. Please unsubscribe. It hurts my feelings, and I although this is a labor of love for me, if you aren't happy with the content over and over again, please unsubscribe because it just hurts my feelings. Yeah, so work has been, ever since I got back from this trip, it's been so busy, and times like this where I get to just kind of be basically in the woods, it just it makes me happy. So things are good. It's busy. It was a 3-day weekend because work gives me my birthday off, or an appropriate weekday off next to your birthday, so I took the 24th off. Then we have Labor Day coming up, so that's a 3-day weekend. And then I took 2 days off to go to the Green Mountain Rally in Vermont, which the Motorcycle Owners of Vermont puts on every year. And I'll be volunteering Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so please find me and let's have a dram of whiskey. Yeah, so just a quick video. I got all this collected in one day, and I thought, hey, this would be fun to share. So enjoy, and thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good day.